Hello and welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial about how to add a wishlist. In Shopify first, go to the website from the link in the description. In your homepage, go to the search bar and search for wishlist. Click on search wishlist in the Shopify App Store. Now, in the App Store, click on the app Wishlist Plus. Click on install and install it. Now in the swim dashboard, scroll down and select bring shoppers back to your store and click on continue. Select a plan that suits your business and click on continue. Choose your preferred launch point variation and click on continue. Now, select a wishlist button type and click on one more step. Fill in your email details, brand name, upload your store's logo, and click on finish setup. Now, click on go to Shopify, live theme editor. Toggle on Wishlist Plus. From the side panel, your wishlist will now be live. All the relevant links are in the description. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again.